Hi, you guys. I wanted to apply some hardware on my newly stained cabinets. We found some hardware at a repurposed store, and what we wanted to do is to install them, but the finish, looked pretty bad. So a lot of our trim is gold, so we're looking for really gold paint that we could put on there that is really good. We found this stuff that's kind of pasty. It's from Deco Art. It's called Metal Luster, and it works pretty good. I wanted to show you how we applied this. The thing I like about this stuff, it's pasty, and it's not like a paint, it's more like a toothpaste, and it seems like it's got flakes of gold in it. It works pretty good. What you want to do is get a brush that you feel comfortable with. This stuff, like I said, it's like shoe shine almost. So I got a kind of heavy brush, and I was going to use my finger, but I said, well, let's try the brush first. I was thinking about spray painting it with some gold, like a lighter gold, or maybe even a darker gold if all possible, or a copperish gold, or a spray it with a kind of a brass kind of a gold. But I just said, what the heck, let's just see what this stuff looks like. If it looks like I need to do that, I will. But it'd be kind of fun to experiment with a different base color other than what you see there, that kind of a patina tarnish kind of look. So I'm just going to apply it, maybe let it dry, and then come back and touch up whatever I need to touch up. And I don't think it needs any sanding or brushing. Maybe with a clean brush I'll probably go over it again just to knock down the high spots. But applying this stuff, I mean, the camera is really doing it justice. I tried to put a black background so you could see what it kind of looks like, and you can see it's the color. But if you bought the stuff, it's only, I think I only paid like $4 or $5 for it. Try it. If you like it, great. If you don't, there's always gold leafing, and that can be, it's not that expensive, but if it's worth it to you to gold leaf it, go ahead. But for stuff like all these little nooks and crannies to do gold leafing, that's pretty tough to do. So with this brush, I'm getting some really good results, and I'm pretty happy with it. Once I'm done, putting all the, brushing in all the color, like I said, I'm going to take a brush and knock down the high spots, touch up any areas that need to be touched up. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put some, shoot a coat of lacquer on it, out of a can. And that should brighten it up some more. And, there's different sheens of lacquer. You've got the flat, the semi-gloss, and the gloss, and a high gloss. So I think I'm going to shoot it with a high gloss. Since it's in a bathroom, I'll see if I can get some kind of a polyurethane, lacquer, and see how that all works out. But right now, I'm pretty happy how this stuff looks. I mean, the more you put on there, the more gold it looks, and it's pretty easy to apply. I mean, it doesn't take a lot of talent or skill to do this. You just brush it on and put as much as you want on, because there's a lot there, and it goes a long ways. Got some other projects that I want to paint gold, and I think I'm gonna put some on. And I also have some picture frames that have gold on it, and that needs some touching up. And I think this stuff is going to work really well. Yeah. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. And it doesn't cost that much. Like I said, it was just like, $4 or $5. And you can see how much you get in a spray can. I mean, I don't think you get this much color in a spray can. But I'm kind of liking the results. I don't know what it's going to take to clean it up. I just opened up the can and just grabbed a brush and just went for it. And right now I'm kind of happy the way it's looking. I'm really surprised how good it looked, because I've tried a lot of stuff. The little types of spray cans to the the brush paint on, but this one here, I'm really surprised how good it's looking. Anyway, you can see the results I'm getting here. Where I bought this stuff was over at I think it was at a Joann's Fabrics or a Michael's, one of those two, one of those craft places. And like I said, it wasn't that expensive at all. Try it. Let me know what you think. Shoot the lacquer over and you'll get a really good sheen. And if you want some depth, you know, like I said, maybe spray a darker gold paint on it. Anyway, thank you for watching.